Welcome viewers, please join us for a quick day trip to Ocotillo Wells in the Anza Borrego Desert. Ocotillo Wells is controlled by the State Park System. It's an SRVA and does not allow for flying of drones. However, we were across the highway on BLM land and therefore Dang was able to get the drone up. When we left home in the San Diego area, it was cold and rainy, but that storm system had not transitioned over the mountains yet into the desert. The Ocotillo Wells area is known for its off-road activities and desert camping. This footage was shot on December 30th. Many people have established a tradition of camping here over the new year. This area is located near the Borrego Badlands and has some very interesting geography. The temperature during our visit was just about 70 degrees, making it perfect and a great getaway from the wet weather we had been having all week. We drove our truck up some of the tamer trails and parked it up there. Looking ahead, we see a Badlands type area, but I believe the official Borrego Badlands lies further north. This is definitely not the place you want to be during a heavy rainstorm. The tiny town of Ocotillo Wells lies just north on Highway 78. They offer a few RV parks, places to dump RV tanks, and rentals for ATVs and such, as well as a general store. This is less than a 2-hour drive from San Diego, depending upon what part of town you're in. Over the years, off-roaders have carved an amazing labyrinth of trails through this inhospitable terrain. Some of the trails look quite difficult. Across the 78 is the official Ocotillo Wells SRVA, while the land on this side is BLM. Campers use both areas interchangeably. There are no amenities whatsoever on the BLM side, so you have to pack out everything and bring your own water, etc. There's a wide variety of trails here, suitable for drivers of all skill levels, from beginners to professional. The trail that runs along the ridge to the left looks pretty intimidating. Fortunately, there were plenty of folks riding while we visited. They sure were fun to watch, and I'm sure even more fun to ride. Some motorcycles have a mind of their own when it comes time to start them. saw some quads traveling on some pretty narrow trails along with the motorcycles. If you or someone you know happen to be out here riding during December 30th of 22, please let us know in the comments section. So many choices on which way to go. It's nice to be able to ride right back to your campsite when you're ready for a break. This guy looks adventurous. I'm not sure if that trail has a name or not. I'd call it the Dragon's Back. There looks to be an insanely steep hill to climb further down this trail. But this rider turned around, probably a wise choice. Nice silhouette. Say hi. This was just a day trip for us. We only had a few hours, but it sure was nice to get out. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.